the pursuit of embodying character or really being like in a creative flow is a very spiritual practice.
When stuff gets hung up and stuck in our body mind, it starts to impact us physically. This is where I get really curious about like performance is in and of itself a way to just, as you say, like move a massive amount of energy through our system, emotion, feeling. Those of us that aren't performing regularly, there's things I would say all humans need to do to keep the kind of system clean.
It's a really vulnerable thing to make noise, right? To share your voice, to speak up, to be heard is a lot, but it really is a part of our essence as like your animal self to like shake and move and then to make sound, like to roar. Who cares what it sounds like? But I think just to be making sounds to get that energy out that way is really good for us. Oh, what a beautiful day.